If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Let's check out Take Two live clip. It's live, so I'm very curious to hear it live. They really released the studio version of course first, but this is the live version. So let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Them in that pastel. Looking good.
그리고 보고 싶습니다.
Yes. And that's over. That's the end of the video.
Hey! You better subscribe.
I will stay. Imagine. Let's go, Jimin. Ooh. I know, I remember. Yes. Talk your talk, bias. We walking too. They always together. Bias and Bias record, they harmonize this shit. Let's go, Jin. Ooh. Okay. Sorry, that made me feel some type of way. Hold up. Hey, I can't wait for his solo. It's coming up. So kill us all. Ooh. Let's go, J-Ho. RM. Shout out to the army. This is for army. With Jimin in the background vocal too? Ooh. Let's go, Jim. Ooh. Damn, Jimin backup vocal for even. Okay. Ooh. Oh, that gave me chills. Let's go. This man right here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I was blocking for a little bit. I should. How dare I? Ooh, okay. Let's go, Yoongi.
당신과 함께여서 행복했어. 당신의 목소리에 숨을 쉬고 당신의 눈물들로 일어섰어. 당신들의 과분한 사랑을 내가 받을 자격 있을까?
Ooh, yes you are. Hell yeah. Oh, I'm getting chills. What the fuck? Hey, hey. Okay. Look at Tay Tay. Baggy pants, baggy everything. Let's go, Jimin. Needs you here tonight. What you gonna do, Army? Need you here tonight. What you gonna do? You better be. You pack your bags. Don't even pack bags. Just grab your keys, drive or fly, whatever you do. You know, teleport, instant transmission. But you need to get there. Me too, though. Take me with me. I fit in your luggage. Hey, hey, hey. Look at them. Get it, get it.
보고 싶다, 아미. Love you.
치즈김밥 bitch.
Whoa, what was that timing? Thank you for following. 10 years. God damn, bro. 10 anniversary. That's crazy. They grew up a lot. It's crazy to see them grow up and where they're at right now. It really is amazing. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Got my hair. I washed my hair. It was oily earlier. I got that conditioner. And look at my hair. Look at this. You see this? You see my hair? That's for you, V. That's for you. He's singing Christmas songs in July. I know. Oh, real talk. I'm gonna claim this. I started that whole K-pop cardboard cutout thing. I'm gonna claim that. I don't care. Got V singing Christmas songs. And you know what? Who cares if it's Christmas in July or June? It's Christmas in July or June. You know why? Because he said so. I'm excited too. All right, y'all. Let's enjoy it. Let's just vibe out. I got my little green tea coffee right here. We about to like vibe out to some Le Jazz de Vie. Yes, yes. Damn, look at them pants. Damn, look at that. You know them shit's expensive. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. I need this.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
Damn right. My Christmas tree is still up actually, so.
It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lamps that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Hey.
Toys on every store.
No, real talk. My Christmas tree is still up. We're just too lazy to bring it down.
On your own front door. 어폐랑 한풀렁 부산 앞에서 the shows is the wish of Bonnie and Ben.
I'm just sorry. I don't think this is gonna be like a real like like a reaction like commentary. I'm just here to just vibe out. So vibe out with me.
And mom and dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go.
Bro, I can listen to this man's voice say anything and I'll just be like, yes.
One in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Ooh.
Soon the bells will start. And the thing that
little mole on his cheek is just so cute. Bro, sounds like hella down bad right now. Dre, you have a girlfriend. Bro, this sounds like a barn. This should be played in Barnes & Nobles while I drink my coffee, reading a nice book, maybe a BTS book. Woo. Bro, I love a good live band too, real talk. I feel like it hits different in any performance than studio. If you could do it live, even better. That's the one thing about BTS, they really do it live too. Ooh. Hey yo V, can you sing at my wedding? This is me asking right now.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. Is that it? Oh, thank God. Hold up.
Heaven.
Ooh.
I'm in heaven. And my heart beats so that I can hardly speak.
Bro, I would love to have a whole V Christmas album. I would probably play that. His voice.
When we all together dancing cheek to cheek.
Oh.
Heaven.
I just had the weirdest thought.
I'm in heaven, and my heart
I wonder if
beats
his hands are like hella
so
soft.
that I can hardly speak.
That just came to my mind.
And I seem to find the happiness I seek when we're all together dancing cheek to cheek.
Let's go. Where'd you come from? Wait, who's this? Wait. Who's this? Dre, what? What do you mean, Dre, what? I asked if his hands were soft, and I'm very curious. Are they? And they probably are. Unless he plays guitar, then they, of course, it's going to be some calluses. They are. Don't ask me how. What you mean?
And the cares that hung around me through the way seems to vanish like a gambler's lucky strike.
She's popular in Korea for her live vid performance. Ah.
Together dancing cheek to cheek.
Oh, I love to climb a mountain.
We'll do it.
and reach the highest peak.
We can.
But it doesn't thrill me half as much as dancing cheek to cheek.
Oh, I love to go out fishing in a river or a creek.
Ooh.
But I don't enjoy it half as much as dancing cheek to cheek.
Dance with me, I want my arms about you.
Okay.
The charms about you, we carry me through heaven.
This is a vibe. Real talk. I don't know.
I'm in heaven.
Especially when I like this type of style songs. Not just only Christmas songs, but like the old school sound. Like that Rat Pack era.
The happiness I see. When we're all
I just like the way he carries out the note.
dancing cheek to cheek.
His voice, and her voice really complements his voice too. I would never figure out that B would go Scooby Doo Bop Bop. Oh, that's fire. Ooh, with the piano?
Oh, I love to climb a mountain and reach the highest peak. But
Okay.
it doesn't thrill me half as much as dancing cheek to cheek.
Oh, I love to go out fishing in
Yes.
a river or a creek.
Ooh.
But I don't enjoy it half as much as dancing cheek to cheek.
Dance with me, I want my arms about you. The charms about you, we carry me through.
I always think of like this type of music always reminds me of New York too.
I'm in heaven.
I'm in
My
heaven.
heart beats so that I can hardly speak. And I seem to find the happiness I seek when we're all together dancing cheek to cheek.
Ooh, good. That was fire.
Dancing cheek to cheek.
I would not be mad if V put out a solo album of just jazz. Or at least one track with jazz, please. It has to happen. You think it will happen, Chet? You think he will sing jazz? That would be fire. I would cry, actually. I think that would be dope. Anyways. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.